Welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing this young bodybuilder. His name is Austin. You see the size, but do you understand the science behind it? This is not just flexing. Every rep builds microscopic tears inside the muscle fibers. When you recover properly, sleep, protein, hydration, those fibers rebuild thicker and stronger. That is real growth. Abs are not just about being lean, they are about discipline, diet, consistency, and patience. Muscle does not grow in the gym, it grows when you recover. Training is the trigger, recovery is the builder. This is not luck, it is daily discipline, reps when you are tired, meals when you are not hungry, focus when others quiet. Shoulders create that 3D look. Front, side, and rear delts all trained equally. That is how you build roundness. Now take the biceps. It is not just about curls, it is about control tension, slow negatives, full stretch, maximum contraction. That is how you build the peak. His Instagram ID is in description. You can follow him on Instagram where he posts a lots of fitness videos and muscle flexing videos, and subscribe Muscular Model so you don't miss any update in future. Thank you for watching the video. Love you all.